Understanding Lobbying for Change, a guide to advocacy in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we're going to explore the phrase, lobbying for change. This is a common expression in English, especially when discussing politics, social issues, and the efforts to influence decisions within organizations or governments. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means to lobby for change, how it's done, and why it's important in our societies. So, let's dive in. Lobbying refers to the act of attempting to influence the decisions made by officials in the government or other institutions. It can be done by individuals or groups, such as companies, organizations, or specific interest groups. When we add "for change" to lobbying, it emphasizes the goal of this influence: to bring about a change in policies, laws, or general public opinion. Lobbying can take many forms, including writing letters to representatives, organizing campaigns to raise public awareness, meeting with politicians or decision-makers, and even using media to spread a message. Lobbying for change involves several key activities. 1. Research. Understanding the issue at hand and the current laws or policies related to it. 2. Strategy development. Planning how to effectively communicate the need for change. 3. Outreach. Contacting decision-makers, such as politicians, to discuss the issue and propose solutions. 4. Public campaigns. Engaging the general public to build support for the cause through social media, public events, and media outlets. 5. Coalition building. Joining forces with other groups or organizations that share the same goal to amplify the message. Lobbying plays a crucial role in democratic societies. It allows individuals and groups to voice their concerns and propose solutions to those in power, influence public policy in a way that reflects the interests and needs of various communities, ensure accountability by reminding elected officials of their responsibilities to their constituents. It's a fundamental way for people to participate in their governance beyond just voting in elections. Lobbying for change is all about taking action to make a difference. Whether it's advocating for environmental protection, human rights, healthcare reform, or any other cause, lobbying is a powerful tool for bringing about positive change in society. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what it means to lobby for change, and why it's such an important part of participating in a democratic society. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you advocating for the changes you believe in.